went the wrong way.
Yeah, for me too, I guess. I never did see him.
Oh, 15 of them.
Oh, you see him?
I never did see the gobblers. I set up on 4 different sets of birds.
I never even heard you call.
Well, I got over there in the creek. There's a big creek between us and them. And so I turned around, and when them started gobbling, those came right up to the field right there. So I snuck around and by the time I got to the field, they had already gone to the other side and went up on the hill. And they kept coming back and forth, wouldn't ever come all the way to me. And then some more started gobbling over here. So I went and set up on them, and I saw they were down in the bottom. And I was walking through there, and all of a sudden one of them jumped up in the tree so I could see what was on top of the hill. And it never saw me. And then a bunch of them flew up in the tree, but they would never fly down. So I went back to those, and then turned around and went the other way again.
So you just been running turkeys. But you didn't run none by me.
Did those start gobbling again?
I mainly heard the ones back over here. I seen a hen cross down that very back portion back there. Not too long after you crossed there. And coyote went down that wood line over there where you went in.
You can't see these decoys. You can't see these decoys from the end of the field. They blend in too well.
Yeah.
I thought you'd already packed up and went up to the truck whenever I come out of the woods.
Oh, you couldn't see the tent either?
Well, I could see the tent, but I couldn't see the decoys.
No, I ain't gonna pack up and go back up to the truck.
I think tomorrow morning we're just gonna have to go to them. Just come out here. We can go ahead and load it. Well, we can wait and load the tent up tomorrow morning.
So you don't think we're gonna get the rain tonight?
No, that's not what they said. It's not what they said last night. They said it's gonna be here tomorrow.
Today is tomorrow from yesterday.
Well, I thought they said Tuesday. I can look it up.
They said chance of rain moving in tonight, I think. Well, you might be right. It might be Tuesday.